Hello, beautiful set of people. Welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your mini importation tutorial. Get to meet me. This is 𝐲𝐤 𝐓𝐵 Logistics, and I am your mini importation coach. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at if you are the type of person that normally chats a whole lot of suppliers and you don't know how you can identify them. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick method how you can name your supplier on 168. Isn't that cool? If this is your first time of seeing a content like this, please join our community, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you like this video, share it, and also do well to comment, right? So you can also do well to join my community on WhatsApp, on Facebook at 𝐲𝐤 𝐓𝐵 Logistics, on WhatsApp, and on Telegram. We have a group where I drop my updates there, anything that have to do with mini importation business. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the group under the description button of this tutorial. So without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. All right, beautiful set of people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In a very quick one, I'm going to be showing you how you can save if you're a type of the person that normally have to do with suppliers. You chat a whole lot of suppliers at the same time and you are confused, and maybe you have a question to ask them and you want to go back to the conversation. Before you know it, everything was jam-packed. So let me click on my chat here to show you what I mean. Now let's assume I want to, you can see that I have a lot of supplier that I normally chat on this account. You can see them right here, right? So now let's assume I chatted a supplier. Maybe let's assume I chatted this supplier now, and at the next minute I want to go and look for it. I don't know how to look for it again. So I now started to mix it up with this, or I started to mix it up with this because they are the same profile picture. How do you save or customize your supplier's name or their shop name so you'll be able to identify them, just like what I did here? Just like what I did here, what you are seeing here, and what you are seeing here. You can see that I customized their name here. I customized this name here, and I also customized this name here. How do you do it? It's very simple. Just come to this guy here, any of these suppliers. So just click on their chat. It will direct you to this chat icon here, right? So on getting to this page, the next thing you want to click is to come here, this three dotted parallel line. Click on it here, and once you click on it, it will direct you to the profile of this supplier, right? Not the shop link, but the profile. You will see something like this. Okay, so once you see something like this, just click on this guy here, this sign here. Just click on it again. Once you click on it, it will also redirect you to this page, something like this page. So if you want to block a supplier, you can easily block the supplier here, but that's not where we are going. This is just a this thing. So now how do you customize it? Just come to this side here where we have this something like red icon here. So once you click on it, you will now have access to the page where you can customize this guy here. So let me click on it. All right, clicking on it will open the new tab where I can have access to customize and name this supplier anything I want to name. So here, you just click on here, you fill in the supplier name and save it directly with this red icon. So let me say I want to save it with what do I save it with? Let me say tutorial, right? I have a funny ways of saving things. Let me just say tutorial, right? So let's assume I want to save this guy as tutorial. Once I'm done writing it, I can easily click on here to save, and once I save it now, automatically this guy has already been it has already saved here. You can see tutorial here. So for you to see what you have done, just restart your 168 app. I've already saved it now, so it's still not going to be showing, right? It's still not going to be showing, but you can see it right here. But let me restart my this guy, but let me message it so the conversation can come up, right? So let me say hi, so I'll be able to see it. All right, so let's restart and let's see what we have. Already restarted my 168 app, so let's see what we have under the comment section, under the chat section. Now you can see that it has already been saved as what? Tutorial. So it's as very simple as that. I hope you find value in watching these short videos, right? So thank you guys for watching the video. If you find this tutorial very helpful, do what to like, subscribe. It is very much important. Subscribe, all right? And I'm going to be leaving you with this tutorial on how you can also negotiate price with your Chinese or 168 supplier. I will see you in my next tutorial.